Good afternoon, madam. Welcome to Novel Restaurant. You have a reservation?
Good afternoon. No, I don't, but I would like a table for one, please.
Certainly. Right this way, madam. Please have a seat.
Thank you. The place look very nice.
Thank you, madam. May I take your order now?
Yes, I will have fried rice with a little salt and mango juice with like sugar.
One fried rice with a little salt and one mango juice with light sugar. Anything else, madam?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Your order will be ready shortly.
Thank you. I will wait here.